Hello, tutor and partners. I'm Juliet Valencia Fernandez, and today I'm gonna talk about a little presentation about myself, and also I'm gonna do a little presentation about the academic writing and a course, and I'm gonna answer some questions proposed in the activity guide. So, first of all, who am I? I am Juliet Valencia Fernandez. I am 30 years old. I live in Suacha in a neighborhood called Ciudad Verde. I have been living here for about 5 years. Before I lived in Bogota. I work in a company called Convergys. I work there as a quality evaluator, and I have been working there for about 3 years and a half. And in this university, I am in 8th semester of English bachelor degree. And now I want to answer the questions proposed in the activity guide. So the first question is, according to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing the course and why? So my personal goal will be wide my lexicon, because if you acquire more vocabulary, so you are gonna write better. So my personal goal is wide my lexicon in order to write a text of quality. The second question is, what strategies will you perform to improve your writing skills during the course? So first of all, my strategy is start to read more, because when we read, so we start to acquire more vocabulary, we start to acquire more structure, and of course we are gonna start to write better when we read and when we start to read more. And also other strategy is start to implement the rules of writing that we are gonna see during all the course, during all the units of this course. And for last, the third question is, according to the course contents, what are the 2 topics you like the most and why? So according to the course contents, the topics that I like the most are academic writing essays and academic writing paragraphs. These topics take my attention because in them we are going to learn how to write this kind of text step by step. So in that way, we are going to have like a map or with the instructions to follow in order to write text with quality. So thank you so much for your attention, and until the next opportunity, goodbye.